G'day traders, today we're going to talk about tips for constantly improving your trading. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. One of the things that we talk about all the time is constant progress and continuous improvement. Today we're going to go over a couple of tips to help you constantly improve your trading. So most retail traders, they face a lot of hidden potholes and traps, emotional traps, mental and mindset traps, and capital management and actual trading strategy traps. But often we're by ourselves. We may have some guidance, some coaching, access to some learning material through books, courses, videos, seminars, YouTube, whatever. But the reality of it is, the only way you're going to get better is through constant improvement. And that's going to take arduous practice day in and day out, and not just any type of practice, but perfect practice, simulating real trading conditions, whether you're day trading, swing trading, however that is. But you have to simulate the exact conditions in terms of emotional management, mindset approach, your financial controls, your money management, and your strategy, evaluation, execution, and planning. So today we're just going to go over a couple things to reiterate that ideology about moving forward each day, working at one thing, getting better, and each week improving your trading so that hopefully you're moving in a direction of where you want to be in terms of your vision and how you want to be trading and trading profitably. So number one, keep focused on trying to do better than you currently are. So one of the questions you can ask yourself is, how can I improve my trading performance? So oftentimes I'll talk to different traders and they'll tell me how they're trading, and we'll say, let's look at some of your trades, or they evaluate their trades back to their trading plan, and inevitably a lot of their trades don't even match their trading strategy. So they'll get on the computer screen, they'll look at certain setups, and inevitably try to take a trade when they're at the screen based on their availability to be there to trade the markets. Now that sometimes will succeed, but often what you want to have is some sort of ritualized process where it's at the same time every day, or the same market time frame every day, the same types of setups. You're looking for 1, 2, or 3 of your best trade setups, and then having triggers and entry and exit orders based on those setups. So if you're not getting the results that you want, you need to be going back and reviewing those trades, comparing them to your approach to the markets, knowing that in your back testing you've had a positive expectancy. So as you trade forward, trade small, execute that trading plan, and evaluate each trade, whether it's through screenshot, video recording, or just keeping a written log as what you're seeing, your entries and exits, capital sizing, position sizing, money management. And then as the process or the trade unfolds, how you manage that process. Did you do it correctly? What could you have done better? What did you do well? And then how did you close out the trade? Were you stopped out? Did you have a profit target? Was there a certain amount of time that had elapsed? Or was there a news impact event that was coming out? Whatever that may be, did you manage that process properly? So again, just asking yourself, how can I improve my trading performance? One of the next things you can do is, what do I have to do to get better? I love what Ray Dalio says. One of the questions that he always asks is, what do we already know to be true? So there's certain things with day trading that I look at. I'll look at, well, we know that London Open happens at a certain time of day. We know that the New York market opens at a certain time of day. We know that the London market closes at a certain time of day. These are certain times of days that we know are true. We know that we can look at how the market behaves at these certain times, and then look at certain currency pairs and certain types of setups. We can scan over certain basket of currency pairs and look for certain types of setups based on reversals or continuation patterns perhaps, or breakout strategies, whatever it is that you're trading. And we want to be looking at, what do we know already to be true? And then going back and trying to integrate that into our approach to the markets. Even with swing trading, we know that there's a Monday to Friday rotation, there's a monthly rotation, there's ATRs. We know that the average true ranges have, to a certain degree, we know that they're true within a reasonable expectation. So certain things that you can ask yourselves that will help you to improve on your approach to the markets. Be teachable and coachable. So, you know, I talk about in my videos, one of the biggest things is I hammer this home is constant progress. You're going to make mistakes, but did you learn from your mistakes? Are you willing to fail forward and then study those mistakes, learn from them, improve upon them, and get better? So I talk about going to my homepage, getting my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, creating a vision of who it is that you want to become, the trader that you want to become, the results that you want to get, strategizing, building around that, making your goals, your rituals, your approach to the market congruent with those objectives. And then be goal setting, be journaling your trades, accelerate your learning, be doing all the steps necessary that are going to align your practical day in and day out execution of that trading plan with the results that you're after. Commit your mindset to continual growth. So in your own headspace, you got to know when you're hitting these trades, every trade is just another trade. So you manage your capital, your position size, and you're looking for an asymmetrical risk reward on that particular trade, but your mindset is about hitting those trades and then learning from them and getting better. Trade smarter, trade better, trade bigger, and keep getting better at those. Performance. So the next part of that is, okay, the actual execution part. So you're planning your trades, you're executing your trades, and then you're evaluating them. So we talk about, okay, we've got our strategy, we've got our plan, our mindset, our capital management, and our methodology. Now we're going to execute that into the market. Did we go back at the end, evaluate that? Did I execute my plan according to what my rules were? A, B, C, D, and E. Did I do that? Tick, 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 tick. How well did I do that? What did I do well? What could I have done better? Where did I stuff that up? How did I blow that up? Whatever it is that you did, be planning, executing, and evaluating each and every trade. And the last part for today, focus on learning what action steps do I need to take to keep getting better. So maybe you're managing your capital great, but maybe your strategy is lacking a little bit. Maybe your edge is faltering. Maybe you need to sharpen your edge a bit. Maybe your edge is okay, but your capital management hasn't been very well. Maybe you're managing your capital well, you've got an excellent methodology, but you have trouble going live and executing that process properly in terms of placing your orders, managing the trade, exiting at certain target levels or stop loss, whatever that is, asymmetrical risk reward, but you need to work maybe on the management side of the process once you're in place. So whatever that is, but focus on constant progress. Keep chiseling away at this. I can assure you, if you keep pushing the boundaries and getting better, your trading is going to improve and you're going to become profitable. And how big of profits do you want to make? Well, again, you're going to need to keep going back through this and repeat. Get better, repeat. Get better, repeat. Trade smart, trade better, trade bigger. And you're going to face a lot of emotional and mental barriers as you go up that ladder of success in your trading. But that's why you've got to be focused on constant progress, be working on your mindset, and focus on constant improvement. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Stay disciplined, just keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.